Alright, so sitting here we got the Amazon's Choice 10-inch single sealed subwoofer box. Sitting right next to it, I got my homemade free subwoofer box that has a little makeshift port right there with the Amazon's Choice 10-inch subwoofer. So for this video, we're going to put the Amazon's Choice subwoofer in the Amazon's Choice box, and we're going to see if Amazon made the right choice. So this box is only about $25 on Amazon, and of course I'll leave a link down in the description to this box. And first thoughts, it looks pretty nice. The carpeting is nice. The only thing I can see that I don't like so far is the inside ports right here. It's just kind of like this metal piece, and I would rather it be just like it is on the outside, where it has these like the easy connect wire things. But so far that's the only thing I can see on it that I'm not gonna completely like, but that's on the inside, so once I get that figured out, then it won't be a big deal. Another thing to notice is the size. Obviously, I made this box to fit behind my back seat when it was still in, and it is extremely small. This one is a lot bigger. You can see it takes up a lot more space. It's taller and wider. So hopefully that'll lead to better sound, but it will also take up more space. So if you saw the last video, you would have seen me test this subwoofer in this box, but we're just gonna go ahead and do it again so we can get an easy comparison of the two boxes. One of you commented on the last video and said that you hear some port noise and told me to build a bigger box, but we went ahead and got this bigger box from Amazon. We're gonna go ahead and switch out the sub, compare the sound. I'm thinking it's gonna be a big difference, so let's do that right now. Alright, this is a view of inside the box. I just got both of these hooked up. Luckily I had the correct connectors and these covers to do it pretty easily. If you don't have these, you're probably going to need to go to the store. But everything's wired up. I'm going to go ahead, transfer the polyfill from my old box to this box. Someone in the last video said that polyfill isn't actually a good thing. I disagree, so I'm going to transfer my polyfill, put it in this box. Now we're going to test the new sub and the sub box. Alright, so after getting everything buttoned up, as far as looks, complete night and day difference. This is a nice box, especially for the price, only about $25. Even though this was free to build, took a long time, doesn't look good at all. It did the job, but let's go ahead and listen to this, see how much different it sounds. Probably didn't sound exactly what it does like in real life, but let me know in the comments. Tell me what you like about the new one, what you like about the old one, if there's anything. But overall, this box has a really clean, deep sound. 25 bucks, definitely worth it, especially if you just run in a one sub setup. Amazon's Choice subwoofer and box, the combo, really good setup. $45 for the sub, $25 for the the box. You're under $100 for a really good setup. And overall, I think Amazon made the right choice with their Amazon's Choice picks. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. That'd be awesome. So I'll see you guys in the next one.